In prime time news this evening, South Trelawney constituents left in shock after Member of Parliament announces resignation. It was nothing more than robbery. Police react to theories surrounding the gun attack on Integrity Commission Director. And later, Portmore Municipal Corporation takes firm action against squatters.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, persons looking to export from Jamaica will have one less step to take on as JAMPRO eliminates the process where persons have to register. So I'll have the details a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Spencer Darlington, what's coming up in Primetime Sports?
Thank you, Archie. Well, the Reggae Girls are kicking off against Canada just about now at the National Stadium. We'll have a live report in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the remarks by the Integrity Commission's Executive Director, Greg Christie, following yesterday's shooting?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.